Nose sign and symptoms pa rin po tayo. Black nose. Black as in bara. Baradong ilong. In Chinese medicine, the nose was called Ming Tang, which means bright hole, signifying that it is an area of concentration of yang qi and a place through which a clear yang ascends to the head. The Song Dynasty's Dr. Chen Wu says, the nose is the opening of the lungs, through which the 5 odors are detected. It is the place where the yin and yang descend and ascend, through which the clear qi flows. The nose is the external orifice of the lungs, and it is therefore closely related to the breathing, smell, and sound of the voice. The organs influencing the nose are the lungs, kidneys, spleen, stomach, gallbladder, and governing vessels. External wind heat invades the body via the nose and mouth. The nose can reflect pathological changes of many different organs, the balance of yin and yang, heat and cold, deficiency and excess, and stasis of blood. So, black nose, excluding acute invasion of wind. A black nose is usually caused by dampness stagnating in the nose, occurring against the background of lung and spleen qi deficiency. In this case, the nose is often also swollen and pale, and the problem is intermittent. This is a very common symptom in Western patients and often leads to chronic sinusitis. A black nose also may be caused by a qi and blood stagnation, in which case the nose would be swollen, powerful, and with an uneven surface. Gallbladder heat also may cause a black nose, in which case the nose membranes are red and swollen, and there is a sticky yellow nasal discharge. In a newborn baby, a black nose which may affect its ability to breastfeed. It is usually due to invasion of wind cold. So treatment, the best local point for nose problem, according to the experience of this author, is the extra point Bithong. According to author, he prepared large intestine 20. The distal points are large intestine 4 and lung 7. Large intestine 20, dun po sa may ilong yun. So, black nose. Summary, lung and spleen qi deficiency. So, pag ganun po, swollen and pale nose. Problem comes and goes. Kung qi and blood stagnation naman, swollen and purple nose, gallbladder heat, nose membrane red and swollen, sticky yellow nasal discharge. Pag invasion of wind, there is sudden onset accompanied by symptoms of wind cold or wind heat. Invasion of wind. So acute po yung black nose. Then aversion to cold, there's fever, occipital headache, stiff neck, floating falls. Other symptoms and signs depend on whether it is wind cold or wind heat. So acupuncture po natin ang lung 7, large intestine 4, and triple Warner 5 and Bithong. Damp heat in the stomach and spleen. Black nose. So there's facial pain, sinusitis, dull headache, a feeling of fullness and pain of the epigastrium and lower abdomen. Poor appetite, a feeling of heaviness, thirst without desire to drink. There's nausea, there's stool with offensive odor. A feeling of heat, dull yellow complexion, sticky taste. Ang tang po ay red with a sticky yellow coating. Then pulse is slippery and rapid. So acupuncture po natin, REN 12, REN 9, spleen 9, stomach 40, large intestine 11, and REN 5 and bladder 22. Lung and spleen qi deficiency. So So chronic po yung black nose. There's pale nose, poor appetite, slight abdominal distension after eating, tiredness, pale complexion, weakness of the limbs, loose stool, slight shortness of breath, weak voice, slight cough, spontaneous daytime sweating, propensity to catching colds, pale tongue, and empty falls. So acupuncture po natin, bladder 13, lung 7, spleen 3, bladder 20, and ran 12 and bitong. Lung heat. So there is black nose, dry nose, red nose, cough, slight breathlessness, feeling of heat, chest ache, flaring of nostrils, thirst, red face, red tongue with yellow coating, overflowing rapid falls. Kung heat naman sa gallbladder, ang black nose po ay may red and swollen membrane, sticky yellow nasal discharge, dry ang throat, there is bitter taste, red face and ears, dizziness, tinnitus, irritability, hypochondrial fullness, unilateral or bilateral yellow tongue coating. Then pulse is wiry and rapid. So pagdampit naman in the liver and gallbladder, black nose with occasional yellow discharge, sinusitis, bitter taste, fullness and or pain of the hypochondrium, abdomen or epigastrium. There's bitter taste, poor appetite, nausea, feeling of heaviness of the body, yellow vaginal discharge, vaginal itching, mid-cycle bleeding, and or pain, burning on urination, dark urine, yellow complexion and eyes, vomiting, red tongue with reader's side, and unilateral or bilateral sticky yellow coating. Wiry, slippery, rapid fall. So, puro hit po yung nakita natin. Lung and kidney yang deficiency. So, there's, ang black nose po niya, merong cough, shortness of breath, backache, dizziness, tinnitus, feeling cold, cold limbs, abundant pale urination, pale tongue, weak pulse. Kung napansin po nyo, malalaman nyo yung kung anong organ kasi involved yung mga function ng kidney, yung pag-ihi. Yun yung lungs, yung paghinga. Stagnation of chi and stasis of the blood. Black nose, purple and swollen nose, breeds with an uneven surface. Headache, chest pain, purple tongue. Clinical note, sinusitis is the most common cause of black nose. In children, there is a nearly always due to residual pathogenic factor, damp heat, from repeated upper respiratory infection treated with antibiotics. So thank you po.